Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camera bag that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Billingham Hadley Pro Camera Bag. The Billingham Hadley Pro Camera Bag's heritage styling will catch your eye, but the attention to detail will keep you coming back once you've used it. With a capacity of 8.5 liters, you can fit a medium-sized kit inside, and the camera insert is removable, so you can use the messenger-style bag without it if the need arises while traveling. There are multiple colorways available, and they all include 3-layered waterproof fabric to ensure your gear stays dry in any weather. The comfort of the Hadley Pro Camera Bag will depend on how used to wearing a messenger-style bag you are, especially since the strap doesn't include any padding for your shoulders. However, even the most seasoned of pros will feel the stress of a heavy camera kit after a few hours. We find that it's usable all day long if you take breaks throughout the day, as you should be doing to hydrate and rest anyway. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tenba DNA16 Slim Messenger Bag. Tenba is one of our favorite camera bag brands because it takes a no-nonsense approach to design. These bags don't have many bells and whistles, but they utilize high-quality materials, keep your gear dry, and are generally comfortable to carry. The Tenba DNA16 Slim Messenger Bag continues that legacy, with enough space for a large camera kit and a highly comfortable strap for use all day long. Whether you're on assignment in New York City or vacationing in Asia, this messenger-style bag can accommodate up to a 16 laptop, so you can use it to go to the coffee shop after a long day of shooting to get work or editing done. The bag is designed for cameras, but you can remove the insert to stow anything in the main compartment. We found this to be one of the easiest bags to get in and out of while on the go, which makes it a solid choice for working photographers or travelers who love street shooting. The DNA16 Slim Messenger Bag is comfortable, highly water-resistant, and carries more than most photographers need without bells and whistles most of us won't ever use. At number 3, we have the Tenba BYOB 10 camera insert. Turns any bag into a camera bag. The Tenba BYOB 10 camera insert is a simple camera cube, but an innovative design choice from the brand makes this one of the most versatile travel companions on this list. They included eyes on either side of the bag and a strap to carry it as a crossbody bag. So, you can stow it inside your travel backpack or carry-on luggage for the trip to your destination, and take it out and use it as a camera bag once you've arrived. It isn't the most intuitive bag on this list. However, it's the most functional for most travelers, which is worth commending. This bag comes in multiple sizes, but we feel that the 10-liter model is the best option for travel backpacks. It accommodates small kits, think a camera and 2 non-long lens, and includes a strap for carrying purposes. It isn't the most comfortable too, though we can't knock it too much, as that's not the primary goal of the bag. However, we find that it works well for most users without shoulder sensitivity. You can't fit much extra gear inside, so it isn't ideal for users who want to carry their everyday gear inside their camera bag. At number 2, we have the Bellroy Venture Camera Sling 10L Photography Bag. The Bellroy Venture Sling is one of our favorite crossbody bags because of its excellent organization and high-quality materials. The Bellroy Venture Sling 10L Camera Edition continues that legacy, though differently. At 10 liters, you can fit a small to medium-sized kit inside, and the comfort is top-notch for a sling that's as light as this one. It's one of the more expensive bags on this list. However, we feel that the materials, hardware, and design warrant the purchase if all of those speak to your use case. Similar to the non-camera version, the self-compressing gussets keep the bag slim, no matter how much you stow inside. That's especially handy if you plan to use this bag with and without camera gear. The dividers are dense and well padded, but are easy to manipulate with larger gear. There's ample space for camera accessories and the gear you'd normally keep in your pocket, like your phone, wallet, and keys. And finally, at number 1, We have the tomtoc 5.5L Sling Bag. The tomtoc Wander T26 Daily Sling 5.5L isn't a proper camera sling. Still, thanks to its large main compartment, we've used it countless times to stow camera equipment and feel it's a solid option for that purpose. Plus, it comes in at a budget-friendly price point and can be used as an everyday carry sling when not in use for camera gear. There are XPC and Cordura registered nylon versions of this sling, both of which have their perks. The XPC offers stellar water resistance, whereas the Cordura registered has thicker walls, offering more camera protection. We've been able to fit a Fuji X-T3 with a Sigma 18 to 50mm lens and a 55 to 200mm lens in the main compartment without issue, and some room to spare for extra goodies like snacks and accessories. The front secondary compartment works well for your phone, wallet, keys, and phone, so you don't have to force those items to intermingle with your camera gear. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.